Hey, it's Steph at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Calm Perspective Soothing Duo.
The ultimate skin TLC duo, calm and soothe stressed skin with this full-size pairing of best-selling skin-caring essentials. Perfect for sensitive or dry skin, this duo is powered by anti-inflammatory aloe vera, cooling botanical extracts, and conditioning oils to lock moisture deep within and strengthen skin's moisture barrier. It plumps and boosts skin suppleness for restored radiance. Apply 4 to 6 drops of Phyto-Calm aloe drops to freshly cleansed, toned skin, or simply mix 2 to 3 drops to Phyto-Calm Aloe Hydrator for a calming boost. Apply an even layer of Phyto-Calm Aloe Hydrator to face and décolleté for a cushioned, calm complexion. Use both up to twice daily.
My sensitive reactive skin needs everything that it can get for calming and soothing. This Calm Perspective Duo is an incredible value with a 60% savings, all full-size products. It's going to help calm reactive skin and help barrier repair. It's a must-have.